and best player of the game, Alex Stockton. Coach, I'll start with you. Coach, impressive win. You guys were down by as many as 20 points in the third quarter, but Alec and Justin got themselves going, which ignited your comeback. How did you guys maintain your poise, especially with CD struggling in this game?
Well, I guess it's divine intervention. So, all glory to God. And it's nice when you have a team, a management who's really backing you up. Okay, so I think it says a lot about our culture. So that's Gov Archen, Boss Jacob, Boss Frank, Boss Dennis, Gov Delta. So it's the culture is from the top management, the owners, down to the coaches, the players, until the support staff. So we just grind it out. We're down 15 at the half and 20 on the third. This is a perennial title contender, and it's a champion coach. It's a champion team laden with talent. We're lucky to escape this, but the biggest thing there probably is that we leverage on our system. Even even if individually there's no way that we could have gotten that grind out win if it's individually. I'm proud of Alec right beside me, Justin, Stevie, BJ came out to play, K-Rax was there, Brian, JL. Even those that didn't have got a chance to play, you see the bench is really light, everyone's here. So it says a lot about our culture. And winning something like this, grind out, it's like a playoff game. It's like I played with these guys. I'm so exhausted right now. I'm tired, mentally and physically. It's a good win for a young franchise like us, for a young team like us, because this is what makes ballers. This is what makes players a grind out win like this. Toe to toe, chess match, running the system on both ends of the floor, believing in the system even if you're facing a 20-point lead with 15 minutes, 18 minutes left. It seems impossible. But the only thing that brought us there is the belief of the players. And they just didn't give up. And of course, it's a divine intervention. So all glory and praise to God. Yeah, we're just happy to get this win.
Thank you, Coach. Alec, big time plays in the fourth quarter. That big shot to tie the game, then the assist to Justin to take the lead. How are you able to elevate your game during these high pressure situations?
First of all, I want to thank God for this win, and I think for us, regardless of what we go through, we just want to give back to our bosses because whether we win or we lose, they don't give up on us. So we just want to give back to them towards their generosity to us. So every game we want to just keep fighting, keep giving everything that we have. And with this game, we were down by 20, and credit to them, they're a very special team, and we just didn't back down. And it just comes down to practice. We rep those out, those type of shots, and I just thank God he went in again.
Alec, you guys struggled in the first half, but you got yourself going late in the third quarter. How were you able to turn things around and perform better in the second half?
I think for us in the first half, we were getting out-rebounded by them. They had, I think, 8. We were out-rebounded by like 8 offensive rebounds. Yeah, and then in the second half, we wanted to put a focus on that, so we kept battling back on the rebounds just so we can get more possessions and make sure we execute what coaches was making us run, and gladly turned up.
Thank you, Alec. We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Alec, congratulations
Thank you,
on this big win. In the playoffs against San Miguel, you came back from 28 down. You knocked down that game winner tonight. That three and that pass seems becoming a habit for you against big teams.
Yes, pero ano lang po, just like any other game, we want to give everything we have. Tapos, credit to our bench guys, sila K-Rax, BJ, they really stepped up in the second half, and I wouldn't have done this by myself. So Justin was big, Chuck Diallo was big on the board. So it was a collective effort for us, and I think it just came down to my hands on those last second shots, and I just work on those.
If I may, sorry, cut you off. If I may just add, no, we go a long way back, Alex. So I was with him when we drafted him. Is that post-COVID? No, it's COVID when we drafted you. Bubble draft. So you see him coming out of FEU. Isa lang ang skill nito, depensa eh. Right? But for all the aspiring bowlers right there, yung hard work at saka yung the hard work and the dedication that you put in the game, hindi madidefeat ng kahit na ano yun. Hindi rin mabibili yun. It's right here. You see him evolve into someone an all-star caliber. Totoo. I mean, you would agree with me on how nag-blossom yung career nito. And still, kahit na ganun yung level niya, I believe he's an all-star caliber player right now. Kung ano yung hunger niya, nung nagsisimula siya, nung parang one dimension, there's some sort to say, this is not a jab on you. Nung one dimension pa lang siya, ganun pa rin. O baka mas hungry pa siya ngayon sa practice. First in, last out. May extra practices pa yan. So, yung dedication and hard work, it works. It really works. Kung wala ka at gusto mong i-develop, ito yung testament nun. Dedication and hard work. Day in, day out. Ako napapagod sa extra practices nito eh. But that's the result. Paid off. Thank you.
Coach, two wins out of 3 to start your first week sa conference.
Yeah, medyo 70%? 75%? No, 70%. Pero maaga pa. I mean, we're happy. Maybe we put it in stages. Quarters. So, every 3 wins. Especially, ito, medyo mabigat yung nilaro namin kasi back-to-back-to-back eh. And tough teams. Terra Firma was a tough team. Hong Kong was a tough team. Ibang flavor naman ang dinala niya sa amin. This is the toughest team na napunta pa sa dulo nung back-to-back-to-back. We're happy to escape it. Pero yung nararamdaman naming well, we're happy. We're really happy. We're more than happy. Hanggang ngayon na lang yun. We will enjoy it until 12 midnight kasi kinabukasan, tatrabaho ulit kami nito. So, masyado maaga pa. Wala pa kami na-achieve. That win, today lang yon. Bukas, wala nang kwenta yon. Yung win namin against Terra Firma, wala na rin kwenta yon. We will look forward to our next game. If I'm not mistaken, the 12th or the 11th. I think the 12th. So, yun. We will just be happy today. Bukas, trabaho ulit. Ito, trabaho ulit ito bukas. Kung ano nga ito, baka mag-shooting pa ito mamaya.
Coach, you mentioned that you'll take a long break after this stretch na 3 games.
Hindi, break ng game ha.
Yeah.
Practice, hindi mo.
But how important is that break nga na 11 days, I think, and with the prospects of Justin Baltazar playing that game, how excited are you with that prospect? And then taking a rest before that game.
I-dissect muna natin. So yung break, basically, medyo malaking bagay yon kasi nga, kung maglaro ka ng sunod-sunod, kailangan mo yun eh. Pero double-edged sword yun eh. Pag nagpahinga ka ng medyo mahaba sa competition, baka makalawang ka naman. Kapag kasunod-sunod ka, mapapagod ka naman. So we have to be smart on that, on where we want to put the day offs, and then how we handle that. Now, with Justin, medyo we deal with the present eh. So itong win na tong Magnolia, bukas, wala na ulit to. Kung anong schedule namin, bukas yun. So yung next game muna titingnan namin. The same way with Justin Baltazar, hanggat wala pa siya sa practice floor namin, we will contend with these guys na nasa lineup ngayon. But yeah, may chance na makapunta siya sa amin and we can look forward for that. Well, we are wishing him good luck. Ngayon din yung game nila, I don't know kung anong status eh. Pero sana ma-close out na nila. And sana makarating siya sa amin, but until na lumakad siya sa loob ng pinto ng dugout namin, sa practice floor namin, we would contend with these guys. And I believe in these guys, kahit saan to, dadalhin kami nito ng mga players namin right now. But Justin Baltazar will be a big addition. Pero double-edged sword din yun, parang yung pahinga din yun kasi may bagong tao eh. So it's another round of getting to know you phase, of adjustment phase. Sana makapasa ulit kami dun sa test na yun. So that's another hurdle. I mean, may good and bad palagi. But hopefully, there's more good than bad.
That ends our post-game press
you.
conference.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
everyone. Congratulations, Coach and Alec.
Thank you.
Thank you.